Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this live stream, I will basically talk about a application that I developed in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is essentially a video editor, which similar to Canva. It's an image and video editor timeline, which I developed in FFMPEG using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's a fully 100% client-side application which works in the browser. And you can just see in the demo right here, as you load the application, I'm running it inside localhost, which is index.html. And there is an option right here, plus icon, where you can add images, your videos. You can add PNG images, JPG images, or video files, any media files that you can add right here. And all the extensions are supported. So let me add these image files. So as you basically add, all these image files will get added. So you can basically create videos from a series of images. You can just drag them in the timeline like this. You can see the image will get added. You can basically control the duration of it by using the mouse here. You will see that you can drag this image, second image like this. So now you can see that. Similarly, you can drag the third image in the timeline. So you will basically see, guys, there is, if you play the video right here, if you click the play button, so now the video will play, and essentially you will basically see each image will appear for 10 seconds, and you will basically see as it, so now it will go away, nothing will be there, and now the second image will come right here. You will see that the second image will come right here, and this will also run. You can pause the video by clicking the pause button, and now you can basically drag the timeline here like this. You can even control the duration like this by just controlling it. And then if you click the image, individual image, you can basically control the duration of this image, which will appear in the video. It will appear for 5 seconds, and you can control it where it comes. So you can also just put the duration right here at which time the image will show up in the video. So if you control it 15 seconds, so now automatically this image will come at the 15 second. You will see that. So you can even simply click the image and just control all these properties right here in that panel right here as you click the image, or you can even control this by using the mouse as well. So here you can even delete this as well. Right click and delete the images from the timeline. And we have, you can even add text as well. You can add various shapes as well, add rectangle. You can even add text as well. So let's suppose I want to add some text. We can basically edit this text. So we can edit this text here. So you can add any text that you want in. So what will happen? So this text will appear, you will see that, and we can control. Let me delete this image. So what will happen basically, guys, after this image, you can control the duration. And then let's suppose this image basically ends at 7 seconds. So I want this text to appear. So we can control this. I can provide here 7. So just right here, just after the image ends, this text will appear. You will see that. So in the timeline, this text will appear, and you can basically control the duration, how many seconds this text will appear. So I will say only 2 seconds. I want this text to appear only for 2 seconds. So what I will do right here, so just pause the and just change to 2. So now this text will only appear for 2 seconds, and the duration of the video will become. So image will appear for 7 seconds, and then the text will appear for, you will see that. So lastly, guys, what we can do, we can basically render out this video. So go to file menu and you can control the video settings. So basically you can say 4K video, you can export this format to 4K 1080p 720. If you're uploading to YouTube, you can basically select, let me select 1080p, and then basically you can give it a project name. Let's suppose sample. You can give your project name, and then if you want to export this to WebM or MKV, MP4, all these extensions are available. Let me export this to MKV, and then render engine. You can select these two options, Power Fast or Max Pro. Both these options are actually using the FFMPEG library in the background using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library in the browser to actually build this video editor. So after you put all these video settings, now you can basically click on export. So guys, you will basically see the video will play until the full length of the video, and automatically the video will download after it reaches. You will see that video will download as a MKV file that you selected, and the size is 1 megabyte. And if I try to play this video, you will see that the video will play. The video will contain this image for which will appear for 7 seconds, and then it will appear the text after. You will see the text that we written, and you can basically customize accordingly. Guys, you can edit these videos. If you have a pre-made video, you can even select that. Let me delete everything from the timeline. Let's suppose I go to my a video that we have. So a pre-made video that I'm dragging right here, guys, this is actually a video file. If I play this video file, it actually contains some audio as well.
Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you.
This is actually a video file, guys, that we are editing right here. So we can perform all these operations inside the browser. You can simply select this file, and right here you can trim the portion accordingly, whichever portion that you want. You can basically click split. So this portion will be splitted right here. If you see, if you want to delete this portion, you can simply click delete, and now this portion will remain. So wherever you need to split the video, simply right click and click on split. So the video will get splitted, and then you can click this delete this portion right here. So in this way, you can basically trim the portion, whichever portion that you want. You now can see our video has been trimmed, which is, it only contains 2 minutes 35 seconds. So you will basically see, you can basically trim the portion that you don't want. There is a split option. So just go to the actual time in the video using the timeline. So just go to the direct time period that you don't want. Simply right click on split. So what it will do, it will actually split the video into two parts. You will see now this part, if you don't want this part, you can simply right click, simply click on delete. So now the portion has been deleted. You will see only 1 minute 9 seconds are there. So what you can do is that
The link is
you can click on the export option, or you can go to video settings and change. By default it will check the default settings of this video, which is 1080p video. You can even increase the quality of this video to 4K as well. You can change the resolution of this video to 4K, or you can compress the size to 480p. This will actually reduce the size of the video 360p to 40p. So if you need the full source code, guys, of this application, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code, which is a Canva clone video editor and image editor. It's a complete 100% client-side application. If you are interested, the link is given. You can directly purchase it from my website. After you purchase it, you will get a zip file from Google Drive, which will look something like this. Just will the actual directory structure. You will actually get the JavaScript code, CSS code, and it works entirely in the browser, guys. So this will be the index.html file that you want to run. Simply right click and open with live server. So this will open your application, and this will look something like this. So it requires no server. It works entirely in the browser. It doesn't require internet connection. it is a great alternative to any third-party video editor that you use, guys. It works in the browser and it's a very fast video editor which actually make use of FFmpeg library in the browser, and you can basically increase or decrease the resolution quality of the video. You can select from the drop down. Let's suppose I want to increase the quality to 4K. I will select 4K. So you can do that. You can even change the extension. Let's suppose I want to convert to WebM format. I will select WebM format. All these formats are supported, and then simply select the render engine as well. So I will select these options and then I will simply export this video.
The link is
So
given in the description. I have given the full source code.
you can see
You
that.
need
Let me disable
after
this.
you make the payment, you will.
So basically, guys, it was now playing the video. So until it plays the entirety of the video, so it is just rendering it. So you just need to keep this page visible while the video is playing so that it is successful in exporting the video. So the exporting process is very fast, guys. It takes just the length of the video. You can see in the background the timeline is moving. So when it reaches the end of the video, your video will automatically gets downloaded as an attachment. So just wait for it to finish rendering it and processing it. So your video will get processed. So it really is fast, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description, and it's a great alternative to actually edit your videos right in the browser. Something like Canva. Canva also does the same process, which is also an image and video editor. It's a free alternative. You don't need to go to canva.com and edit your videos. You can use this software, which is coded entirely in JavaScript. You can see automatically it has converted to WebM format. 22 megabytes size has also been reduced, which is, you will see that the video is split it, and now you can see that I can turn on the volume as well.
Just need to make the
So you can
payment.
see that.
After you
So
make the payment, you will get this zipped file. You can
let me
export
turn on
it.
the
You will
volume.
get the CSS,
So volume
JavaScript, and
audio is also
HTML.
present,
So
guys, of
you can
inside
make
the
the
video.
payment in
So you can see that
USD,
the video has
United States dollar.
already successfully been splitted, and the size has also been reduced, and resolution also has been changed to 4K. And you can if you want to add some watermark, you can basically select text right here and put the watermark right here. If you want to appear right inside the video, you can drag it to basically this watermark should be appearing. You can see it is appearing right in the center position. The text color is white color. You can basically change this color. If you don't want the watermark to be appearing in white color, you can just go to inside the code and change it. It is all customizable, guys. And if you want to just simply click, and you can change the watermark. Let's suppose you can change the text here. Let me put my channel name. You can basically also change the font as well. And let's suppose I want to rotate it. So there is also a rotation as well. So 45-degree I want to rotate this. So it will rotate something like this, or minus 45, it will rotate in the clockwise direction. And if I want to increase the size of it, so I can simply select, you will see that. So it will look something like coding Shiksha. You will see that. You can even control this, which is opacity as well. If you don't want to appear, you can control it to 50%. Just select 50. So now it will look something like this. So now your watermark is appearing, guys.
You can make the payment in USD, United States dollar, at pay. Change the border, which will be up right here. So after you copy JavaScript and HTML codes,
So it will look something like this. So if you want to do trim your video a little more, so we can simply now want to export this video. You simply click on file, click on export.
the link is given in the description. I have given the full source code. You need just
So
need
the
to make
file
the
will get
payment. After
export,
you make the
guys. It
payment,
will also contain this text. So keep this page visible. Okay, just reload this page. Sorry, I forgot to drag the video like this. And here you can basically select split and delete that portion. So just put right here and right click, split and delete. So the trimming portion is really easy, guys, using this timeline editor. So the total length of video 15 seconds. So just make sure that you see right here the total length, which is 15 seconds. And now you will put your text watermark right here. So it will need to appear right here. So we can basically change this text watermark. So you can basically scale it, and we can rotate minus 45 degree. You can control it anything. So it will look something like this. You can see how beautiful it is looking, and opacity you can control 50%. So if I want to now export this, click on export.
Hello
Now
friends, today in
the
this
video
tutorial
will
I will
get
basically
exported,
show
guys. It
you
will have this
a
nice little watermark added,
WhatsApp
which is
bot
text
which will automatically
waterless.
send messages to
So it's a
multiple
great
contacts here
software, guys.
using
If you are
Selenium
interested, the
library.
link is given.
Selenium is a
If you're
web
watching
scraping
it for the
library
very
in
first
Python.
time, the
So
link
let
is
me show
given in
you
the
the
description. You can directly purchase it. The video is successfully exported, and now
hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a WhatsApp bot which will automatically send messages.
so you can basically go to video settings and just 1080p, just render engine, just need to control it wherever you want to. So now click on export once
Hello
again.
friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a WhatsApp bot which will automatically send messages to multiple contacts here using Selenium library. Selenium is a web scraping library in Python. So let me show you.
So you can see the video is downloaded.
Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show
So
you
some video players,
a
guys, will
WhatsApp.
you can basically play it in different, it will work in the browser if you play it. If I show you, if I drag this video in the browser, it will play. Some video players support certain settings, so it will not. If I just, so if I want to play it, you can have various video players which are available.
Hello friends,
Now you
today
can
in
see
this
that
tutorial I will
it is
basically
playing
show
right here. You
you
will see the watermark
a
is added. You will see this is the
WhatsApp
actual
bot
watermark
which will
that we added.
automatically send
You will see that the watermark has been successfully inserted, and you will
messages
see
to
the video.
multiple contacts here using Selenium.
So if you are interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase this awesome Canva clone video and image editor that I developed entirely in client side using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After that, you will get this zip file from Google Drive after you make the payment, and you will actually get this simple JavaScript code, HTML, CSS, which actually uses FFMPEG WebAssembly library to actually make this awesome Canva clone editor. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.